Shell's finally here.
Whoa, that was a rough ride.
Let's begin by watching the new electric car commercial.
The electric car!
Wow, that's a joke.
Yeah, the electric car is so impractical. It only gets a 100-mile range max.
Also, it can take up to 10 hours to charge.
They can be up to $100,000 and can take years to get.
They're also not totally emission-free. The main source of electricity is still the burning of coal, which produces high amounts of CO2.
Moving on, here's our new commercial.
Here at Shell, we're adapting to the times. We understand that fossil fuels will not last forever. That's why we are focusing our efforts on greener sources of energy. Our main effort is biofuels, which harvest fuels from plant sources. We have invested billions in biofuels, which give us lower carbon emissions.
Also, we are trying to break into the wind and solar energies. These are 100% renewable.
And Shell has begun with their development of hydrogen technology, which has zero harmful emissions. Join us in our efforts to save the planet.
What do you think?
I really liked your commercial, especially your use of alternative energies. Could you tell me more about biofuels, though?
Biofuels harness energy from plants like corn and sugar.
Wow, that's cool. Here's our commercial about alternative fuels.
Oh, come in and take a ride to a greener future with Chevron.
Chevron has been investing in solar power. Energy from the sun can help resolve problems on local utility grids.
Also, solar energy reduces greenhouse emissions by decreasing electricity from fossil-fueled power plants.
Chevron solar technology is more efficient than traditional solar panels because we use the lenses to focus in on the light.
Yeah, Chevron is also the world's largest geothermal energy provider. The energy we provide meets the needs of 16 million people.
In addition, the technology for geothermal is similar to that of oil and gas. That way, there isn't a drastic difference from what we're used to. It's like our everyday life, only cleaner.
Energy from the earth is renewable and safe at Chevron.
So, what do you think?
Could you just tell me more about what you're talking about or something? Because I don't quite understand.
Basically, we're using different sorts of energy instead of oil. How much have you guys been investing?
Over
Over the past 5 years, we've spent $2.3 billion developing alternative energies.
How about you guys?
Chevron has been investing $300 million in alternative energies each year.
Did you know that gasoline's not the only product of crude oil? Other products include the problems with the world are not our fault.
It's 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 not their fault.
It's already recording.
Now.
Also, solar energy reduces greenhouse emissions by decreasing electricity from fossil-fueled power plants.
Did you know that moving on, here's our next commercial. No.
I agree.